Narrow shoulders. To flatter narrow shoulders, the goal is to broaden the upper frame. Horizontal lines widen the silhouette and give structure. Wear boat necks, off-shoulder tops, and square necklines because they introduce a straight line from shoulder to shoulder. These necklines visually expand the frame. Structured collars also create definition around the upper body. Avoid narrow shapes that reduce presence. Deep V-necks, very slim vertical openings, spaghetti straps, and droopy or cowl necklines all make the shoulders look even narrower. For sleeves, add structure or volume at the shoulder point. Cap sleeves, puff sleeves, Juliet sleeves, and structured short sleeves create lift and definition. Epaulettes or subtle shoulder details also help. Avoid sleeves that slope, such as raglan sleeves, drop shoulders, or tight short sleeves that visually pull inward. Broad shoulders. Broad shoulders benefit from vertical or diagonal openings that guide the eye downward. Wear V-necks, scoop necklines, deeper halter shapes, wraps, and asymmetric cuts. These create softness and break the horizontal span of the shoulders. Avoid shapes that stretch horizontally across the body. Boat necks, off-shoulder tops, straight-across bandeaus, and high turtlenecks exaggerate width. For sleeves, choose designs that narrow or soften the shoulder area. Very short tight sleeves, fitted sleeves, raglan sleeves, and dolman shapes help bring the upper body into balance. Avoid shoulder pads, puff sleeves, and strong boxy shoulders because they enlarge the top half visually. Sloped shoulders. Sloped shoulders appear more delicate, and the goal is to lightly straighten the line. Choose square necklines, boat necks, jewel necklines, structured collars, and sweetheart shapes. These add firmness, lift, and definition. Avoid shapes that pull downward, such as deep V-necks, cowl necklines, and narrow halters. For sleeves, choose designs that add lift. Cap sleeves, structured short sleeves, or small shoulder details. Avoid drop shoulders, raglan sleeves, and overly loose sleeves that visually exaggerate the slope. Square shoulders. Square shoulders have a defined, almost straight line. To soften them, choose curved and rounded shapes. Wear scoop necklines, rounded collars, V-necks that open the chest, soft cowl necklines, and draped or Grecian lines. Avoid shapes that mirror the shoulder's natural angle. Square necklines, horizontal bandeau cuts, off-shoulder tops, and sharply structured collars all intensify the square appearance. Sleeves should flow gently. Soft or slightly gathered sleeves, dolman sleeves, or raglan sleeves create natural movement. Avoid structured or boxy sleeves, shoulder pads, and sharp angular caps that amplify geometry. Asymmetrical shoulders. One shoulder sits higher or lower, creating visual imbalance. The goal is to guide the eye so the asymmetry appears intentional. Asymmetric necklines work perfectly when designed to follow the lower shoulder line. Diagonal cuts, soft scoop necklines, and Grecian drapes create unity. Avoid necklines that demand perfect symmetry. High collars, straight across off-shoulder tops, boat necks, and square necklines. These make the unevenness clearer. For sleeves, use design to harmonize both sides. Asymmetric sleeves, soft gathered fabrics, or raglan sleeves create smooth transitions. Avoid mirrored sleeves or strong shoulder structures that reveal the natural imbalance. Round shoulders. Round shoulders come from posture rather than bone structure, giving the upper back a gentle forward curve. The most flattering necklines are those that open the chest and create lift. V-necks, square necklines, sweetheart shapes, and lightly structured collars. Avoid high collars, turtlenecks, and draped cowl shapes that emphasize the curve. Choose sleeves with light structure, such as fitted three-quarters sleeves or subtle shoulder details, and avoid drop shoulders, raglan seams, or loose batwing cuts that follow the rounded line and reduce definition. Balanced shoulders. Balanced shoulders align naturally with the hips. Most necklines work. Boat, V, scoop, square, off-shoulder, and sweetheart necklines all complement this shape. The only risk is exaggeration. Overly padded shoulders, heavy structures, or extreme asymmetries may disturb natural harmony. Sleeves can be fitted, cap, short puff, or tailored. Avoid designs that massively enlarge the shoulders or drag the line downward, such as heavy ruffles or overly loose batwing sleeves.